Sit. 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 Ah, good boy. Sit. Give him a treat.
Right here, you have to give him cookies now.
You gotta give it to me. I ain't got any. You're not getting one,
Make sure they don't
you
jump
bitch.
up. If they jump up, they don't get it.
Sit.
They're sitting when you hand.
Ah. Kieran, sit. No. Sit. No. Sit. Shane, sit. No, you get out of the way. Shane, sit. No. No. Sit. 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 Bear, you sit. You want one? Aw, come on, you little pussy.
Do you remember when we were our puppies? We didn't have these puppies this old, did we? Except Astro and Bonnie, the ones we kept, you know? We didn't have this many. They're so cute.
Molly, sit. Molly, sit. Come on, Molly, sit.
Good boy. Give him
Sit.
a treat. Give your puppy a treat. Just keep him on the paper.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Your puppy.
Oh, I don't know.
Eat it.
Here, you pee on paper?
Yeah.
Pee on paper? Molly, sit. Molly, sit. Sit. Now you don't want it? Molly, sit. Be a good example to your kids. Come on. Molly, sit. Sit. Sit.
Molly, sit when you're told. Sit. You gotta be strict. You can't let. You can't let. When you take your boy home, you gotta be the alpha male. You
Wait it.
You
Uh-oh.
gotta be the boss.
She don't want it. That's why she ain't sitting. That retard will. Oh, here we go. Fight!
Here, Shane. Come here, Shaney. Shane.
Shane, sit.
That's all. We're going to go ahead. No more treats, no nothing.
Bear, sit. You want to get bit? Stay there.